So it is currently 8 something in the morning, almost 9, I believe so. Yes, it's about to be 9. It's 8:54. And my room is not that messy. It's not that dirty. But I do need to clean it and, you know, mom duties. But first, I'm gonna be doing my coffee and all of that. Oh, also, I bought this baby barista, and it maintains your water nice and warm for your bottles, and so far I love it. You guys should be getting this if you are expecting moms. It is pricey, I'm not gonna lie. It's like 50 something. It's better than the other one that they have. The other one is like 200 and something, but that's because it has the formula. But this, so far, I love it. I used it last night and it was way easier than going and refilling this in the middle of the night, waking everyone up and all of that, you know? Yes. So yeah, if you guys want a full-on review on this, let me know in the comments below. So yeah. And also, I finally get to get rid of this trash can because I bought this one. Let's see. This one. Don't mind that. My brother's dog ruined my door. Either it was Diamond or my dog. Pretty sure it was probably mine. But yes, I got the UV trash can and the style marble because I like marble. So yeah, and there's Bebe. So yeah, I am gonna do my coffee right now since he is distracted with Sesame Street right now. He loves Sesame Street, so I think I might do Sesame Street theme for his birthday smash cake photo shoot, because I don't think I'm gonna do a birthday party because he's not gonna remember it. The only one that can remember it is us. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna do my coffee. Morning. And pretty much I'm gonna close out the video today. Hi. Hi. As you guys saw, I did a little bit of dishes. I did a little bit of my room. So my room wasn't that dirty. I just needed to broom it and, you know, get whatever was under my bed, because I did saw like a whole bunch of water bottles under my bed, and I got them all out. So yes, I got that out. Ow, ow, my little pelitos. Nathan, morning. You're pinching my boob. So yeah, if you guys do want me to do a full-on cleaning video, like the house, not like full-on deep clean, but clean the house and all of that, let me know in the comment below. I mainly just clean my room because it's my room, but I do clean the house. But like I said, like recording wise, I like it's mainly like my room. But if you guys want me to record myself cleaning the house too, let me know, and I will. Ah, papas. So yeah, let me know, and I will. But yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe. You guys are washing your hands, and make sure your little ones are safe. Your elders are safe as well. Is that your pansha? Ooh, excuse me. I just woke up. He's been awake, and like from like I think it was 6 something that he's been awake and scratching my face. Huh. Huh. Okay. So yeah, just let me know, and I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the little bell to be notified every time I upload my newest video. I love you.